Hey y'all, real quick. I'm gonna go to bed. So, of course, this is a video before I go to bed. But anyway, if you are struggling with thinning edges or thinning edges right here, or wherever, I got a quick solution for you. Stay with me. So this little thing, it works for some of my clients, but it takes time for it to work, and you have to be consistent with it. Oh yeah, real quick, for those of y'all don't know me, I'm Tanya. I am your hair loss practitioner, your trichologist, your licensed cosmetologist, owner, operator of Taylor Sugar Butter Salon Suites, and of course, recent stage 3 cervical cancer survivor. How you doing? Welcome to my page. Let's continue. So, cause I don't want to keep y'all long. I know how y'all know how y'all attention spans be. So, the thing that I want y'all to get is my Dermaroller. Men will like literally stop shaving off their head as the first and only option when their hair thin out and just work at it. I don't know why people do it, but whatever. So when you get this Dermaroller, it's important for you to clean it with some alcohol or some type of disinfectant, but alcohol is the thing that you need to clean this with. You should not be sharing it with no one because it has needles. There's some of my hair in it, but it has needles on it, like little small little prick needles, and it opens up your hair follicles to make sure that the whatever product you're using is going to work. So with this little thing, like right here is it's starting to come back, but it thinned out, of course, because my thyroid voice stopped working. And this side did not thin out. You see how this side looks? Healthy, right? And this side is not as healthy. Also, I sleep on this side. So because I sleep on this side, the lack of blood flow at night, little to none. And I don't like to go back and forth. Like, this is my go-to side. But that's another story for another time. Let me show you how this thing works. Oops. All right. So, of course, you want to make sure you clean it. And then what you're going to do is that you're going... Don't give it, pressure. Don't do that. Give it a little bit of pressure. Just a little bit. But you're going to want to do this for 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to start off with 5 minutes is what you want to do. You're going to start off with 5 minutes. You can also do this on your eyebrows. If your eyebrows is thinning, you can also do it on your eyebrows. And, of course, both sides, wherever your hair is thinning at, noticeably thinning at, is going to help. This Dermaroller also helps with your face as well. It should be a part of your skincare routine because your scalp should be part of your skincare routine, right? So I'm not going to do the whole thing, the whole 5 to 10 minutes here. But what I tell my clients is to start off with 3 to 5 minutes and then work your way up to 10 minutes. Because starting at 10 minutes is jarring. Don't do that. Especially if it's your first time. You want to start off between 3 to 5 minutes once or twice a week, and then over time you should be able to do it every day up to 10 minutes. But of course, that is over time. Just make sure that you start off on the low end so you can get used to doing this, okay? So once you complete doing this, you should, it's okay for you to apply your oil, or I do aloe vera gel. You know what? I do both. So, of course, I make my own oil, but at the bottom of this is aloe vera gel. So, I have, the best of both worlds, of course. No, my oil is not clear and see-through like everybody else because rosemary don't work for shit. But that's another story for another time. This is my oil that I make at home, and my clients absolutely love it, and so do I. But this also has aloe vera in it. So so what it do is that the Dermaroller opens up your hair follicles to make whatever product you put on your hair works better, to get that blood flow, because that's what we need. The lack of blood flow, things die off when you don't have a lack of blood flow. So, and that's it. That's all. So after I put this on, sometimes I would, of course, I'm gonna do my whole head, but this is just a quick, video for y'all. Then of course, aloe vera gel, and this is the one, like, you can't find this in stores. This is the one I sell to my clients, and yeah, aloe vera gel is what gives your skin. Your scalp is your skin now. Moisture, not oil. Oil is going to lock in whatever you have going on. So if you have dryness going on, oil is going to lock that in. Oil going to lock in the dryness. If you have moisture going on, oil going to lock in that moisture. So moisturize your skin first and then go to your oil or your grease or whatever you use. I don't recommend using grease, but to each his own. I'm tired of fighting with y'all. But this is what you're going to use, and I promise you, within 30 to 45 days, you want to notice a difference. Of course, look at my now. I wish I would have showed y'all beforehand, but this right here was a little bit less than 9. It don't look like this side right here. Okay, so this is a quick FYI. So if you are dealing with thinning edges, it's the summertime, y'all like y'all braids, y'all cornrows, whatever y'all do, y'all need to keep up on your edges. So make sure that you get a Dermaroller, and that is it. Also, if you would like a whole 3-month plan on how this Dermaroller can help and what products do you need, of course, you can just hit me up at TaylorSugarButters.com. Link will be in the comments. All right. Well, y'all have a good night. I didn't want to stay too long, but y'all have a great night. And talk to y'all over the weekend. Bye.